Hi everyone. Today we're going to be looking at root words. And these are important, and they're important for us to know because it can help us increase our word knowledge. And as we all know, the more words we know, the easier it is to read. So what is a root word? A root word is actually just the base. Just like there's a shoresh in Hebrew, there's a root word in English. So if we look at the word telephone, phone is our root word, phone, which is sound, vita, vitamin, from life. And if we look at our root words, sometimes they're complete words, like the word cycle or vent, but sometimes they're not really words, they're just parts of a word, like geography, soul, solar, from the sun, geo, from the earth. When we're able to identify the root in a word that we don't know, we can often work out the meaning of the word. So if we look and we say, okay, we've got our root word, and then we add a prefix, and we can add a suffix. But the root stays here in the middle. Let's take a look. So if we take a word like bicycle, cycle is our root word. Bi means two cycles, two circles. A word like soul, soul means sun, and R in English makes the word an adjective. So solar, heater, so a heater that works by the sun. Or something like this, regenerate, gen to create life, to again, and this again is a grammatical a suffix or ending, so that we have regenerate, to make something grow or live again. So if we look at some very, very common roots, bio, meaning life, biology, hydro, water, hydrogen, therm has heat, a thermometer, a thermostat. Grav means something that's heavy, like gravity. Geo has to do with the earth, like geography or geology. Carbo comes from carbon, or coal or carbon. Trans means a cross, transport, to move something from one port to another. The word scope has to do with seeing, telescope. We can see something. Micro means very small. If we put together micro and scope, we get a microscope. LOG comes from the word, but it's come to mean the study of. So if we have geology, it's the study of earth, or biology, the study of life. And tech, T-E-C-H-N, really means skill. So what's a technician? That's a person that has a special skill. Technology, these are skills. So the more of these kinds of words that we know, and if we know their meaning, they'll help us understand words. So if we look here, can we guess the meaning of the word? So if we've got biohazard, hazard, we know something is dangerous. Bio, life, something that's alive, that's dangerous. Hydroplane. Hydro is water, plane, plane that lands on the water. Geothermal, the earth, heat, in other words, heat that comes from the earth. Transatlantic, well, we've got the Atlantic Ocean. So if you're taking a transatlantic flight from London to New York, you've gone across the Atlantic. Gravity, something that's very heavy, right? We can't fly through the world or fly through the air because of gravity. Microwave, we've all got a microwave in our house. It's a very, very small wave that has the capacity to heat. Telescope, again, we can see something. Technician, that person who has a special skill. So it's worth learning lots of these different roots and paying attention to them when you read. So when you come across a word that you're not sure, stop, look at the roots, see if there's a root there that you recognize and understand and go up, because the words are up here, and it's the roots that make everything grow. So make your vocabulary grow, learn the meaning of the roots. And if you want to know more about roots, well, there are lots of sites on the internet that you can use.